Hello, today I want to talk about cosmetology. I love cosmetology and I did it actually for 2 years in my high school. It was funded by my high school, so I got to be able to do that. Um, I enjoy it so much. I love glittery things. I love hair, makeup, nails, you name it. Um, this is actually the school I went to, and across the street was the cosmetology building. So we just took a little bus there to get there every day after our main courses. It's pretty fun, but it was sometimes challenging. But yeah, I mean, I love it. It is such a blast. This actually was one of my teachers. I apologize for the image, but her name is Lamisha Miss Stinson. That's what we called her. She was one of the main people in my life that helped me to love those types of things. This is another one. I apologize again for the picture. I had a hard time finding pictures of them. This is Diana Ferguson, Mrs. Ferguson, and she helped me as well. I mean, she was a little mean sometimes, but she taught us, how to cut hair, nails, makeup, all kinds of things like that. Um, Nails. I love getting my nails done, looking pretty. This is a picture that I got online actually because I like to get different nail designs. Maybe one day I'll get them like this when my kids are older because right now I can't because these rhinestones will come off. But because I just do so much as a mom. These actually are some nails that I gotten done. I love sparkles, glitter. I think I got these done for Mother's Day, I believe. But yes, I love getting my nails done and looking cute. Um, and I love that kind of pinkish, color. This right here, you guys see my wedding ring, blinged out. But I love, the leopard print on the index finger. It's color purple. I just love getting my nails done and everything like that. And I actually learned how to do them in cosmetology school. So it's pretty cool. And I love glitter. Lord knows I love glitter. These actually is what the nails I have on right now for Valentine's. And I like the little accented nails too with it. It makes the colors really pop. Um, I love all those different things, in cosmetology school. It was really fun. It was a fun time for me. These I think are so simple but elegant as well. Um, and I love the color because this is a nail polish. This is actually a powder that they use on the whole nail instead of just nail polish. I got these done I think a couple months ago. And haircuts. I love this little boy haircuts. I have a little boy that gets his haircut done, and I just think it looks so nice. I mean, it's hard to keep up, but I mean, if you can afford it, it's really worth it. I mean, it's so nice looking. Um, and this is actually my baby. He just got his hair done. This is him. He has this hairstyle even right now. Um, and I think it looks so nice on him. He got a big head though. But I think it looks so nice. My handsome boy. Hair coloring. We learned a lot about hair coloring in our school. Um, this, maybe one day I can get this done, maybe. I have tried so many hair colors, blonde, red, I mean, you name it. I love experimenting, but it can be very damaging on your hair if you don't know how to treat it. This is another color. I love purple. My favorite color is purple. If I had the guts to do it, maybe I would do it one day. I don't think my husband would let me, but I would try to convince him. But I really like this color. I think it looks really nice. Hope maybe I think I could pull it off. Maybe. This actually is a updo in cosmetology. This is what we call an updo. Actually for this lady's wedding. This was my first updo. Like I barely learned how to do cosmetology at all, and I was so proud of this updo. It took forever. I curled out her whole head of hair, pinned up everything. I mean, it looked really nice. I was super, super proud of this. This is my baby. She's following after her mama's footsteps. She loves makeup. She tries to put on makeup all the time, lipstick. She always got to have her nails done. I mean, she is just, that's my diva. That's my baby, though. She is such a little diva. My goodness. It's my baby. This is actually a kind of makeup I did for, it was like a psychedelic night or something at our church. And I got so many compliments on it. It took forever to do. But, I mean, I think it came out really nice. Like, really nice. So, and I got a lot of compliments on it. I'm not claiming to be really good at makeup, but I try. This actually was a new mascara I tried. Oh my gosh, I fell in love with it. That's all I use now. I try to look somewhat decent most of the time. I love looking pretty, so I always try different things and makeup products that I can if I can afford it. Sometimes I can't, but I try. I really do. This is like a casual day for me. I just usually just put eyeliner and mascara and that's it, and a little bit of foundation, just to like smooth out them blemishes. But yeah, this is like a casual day for Kayla. And nothing too crazy, or I don't really like to wear heavy makeup. Contouring and all that I don't do. This was actually a tea party we went to at my church, and I love different, you know, styles and looking cute, so I just had to take myself a picture. Um, and everybody was dressed in black dresses. It was so nice. I hope we can do it again. This is actually my Christmas tree. I got to have colors and sparkles and all kinds of things. Like every year I try to get more and more so my tree looks fabulous. I just love things to be glittery and sparkly and looking nice with a bunch of color, because I can't have just, you know, stuff look boring. All right. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed.